This 2027 Dynamax Corp Europa 32KD is a Super CRV. It is located in Liberty Lake, Washington, 99016 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Liberty Lake. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dynamax Corp is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, Slideout, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2027 Dynamax Corp Europa 32KD is built on a Freightliner M2 1106B+ chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.